my channel, and that's Anushka Glam. So basically today the video is all about unboxing. So I had ordered some of the products from my Nykaa, so they have delivered me yesterday, but as yesterday I was not able to make this video because it was quite late. So today I'm gonna make, and we are gonna unbox. So today there is no such tutorials or something like that, so we're just gonna unbox it. Here we go. I'm excited, guys. I'm damn excited because I've ordered the product which I wanted since a long time. So let's see. Oh, they have packed it very safely, guys, in this bubble wrap. So here, guys, this is the first product, the Faces. It's from the Faces brand, I guess you can see it. So this is a blush in the shade Sweet Apricot 01. Wow. So there is a small lid out there. So the color is something in peach, I guess you can say it. And the second product is the Indulgeo Essentials Oil. It's a rose gold oil, 24 karat rose gold oil. So this is basically a serum. Before we start makeup or before using the foundations, we use this. So wow, it's cutely packed. I like it. So here you go. So this is something like this. I hope you can see, guys. So yeah, third product is this lip crush. It's a lip balm from Nykaa, and the packaging is beautiful. It's in hazelnut flavor, you can say. It smells so good. And you know what, the main thing, they have sent me 2 sample products. So it's a tester basically. So I got free of cost. It's a gift from Nykaa. So this is the VLCC Ayurveda face wash, small tube. And the second thing is again from the VLCC, but it's a sunscreen gel. So it's like this. Smells good. It's packed, so I'm not gonna open it right now. So these are the things that I had ordered from Nykaa. So the packaging was good. I liked it. They had sent in the bubble wrap, so it was quite interesting, so that the products did not get damaged. I had even ordered some of the products from Flipkart. So it was an individual product, so I don't have that packaging. So but this is the contour stick, highlight and contour stick. It's a mixed combination stick, like 2 in 1. So this is the thing. This is especially for your contouring your cheeks, and this highlighter. So one on the other side is this one. So this is cool, I liked it. And the second thing is this blusher again. It's from TFF. I guess you can see this. It's from TFF. It's a waterproof matte blusher makeup. It's not opened yet. Wow, it's cool. I guess the shade is a little darker. Yes, it's a little darker, but I'll work on it. I'll work on it. Okay, so this is the thing. And the third thing is the highlighter. It's a multi-baked powder from Kiss Beauty. So it's in the 3 shades, white, pink, and something in bronzer type of. I guess you can see it, guys. The camera is catching the color or not, I don't know, but it's quite pigmented. I like it. It's a bronzer shade. It's quite pigmented, so I like it. So these are the things that I had ordered from Flipkart as well as from my Nykaa. So I guess like my Nykaa is very satisfying because I had ordered a week before, and So they finally, I received the product yesterday. So the delivery, I'm quite satisfied with the delivery as well as, you know, the product also, but I haven't used anything till now. So let's see, I'll use it and then I will show you on the next video. So this was my short and sweet video for today. It was just about unboxing it, and I'm quite happy because this is the first unboxing, and hope to see you like in the next video, guys. Little bit nervous again, but still. Okay, bye guys, have